Welcome to Whispering Waters Cremation Garden at Cannon Memorial Park, a garden unlike any other. Designed exclusively for those choosing cremation, this private area offers a beautiful place for loved ones to reflect and remember. A feeling of quiet comfort surrounds visitors as they walk through the garden and past the majestic niche wall crafted of lasting sterling granite. Memorial pedestals, a permanent and lasting form of remembrance, sit amidst the lovely landscape. At the heart of the garden, a sheltered outdoor pavilion featuring natural stone columns provides a peaceful option for outdoor tributes or commemorative events. A sparkling three-tiered fountain graces the garden's second entrance. Beveled granite niches at the base of the fountain protect the remains of loved ones. The spirit and splendor of nature are found in every corner of Whispering Waters. From simple beauty to more elaborate expressions, the picturesque garden provides inspiration and comfort. Unique options such as granite memorial benches and garden niches are just a few of the lasting, personal tributes found in Whispering Waters. At the garden's main entrance, a beautiful woodland-inspired waterway is bordered by lush landscaping and a wide variety of memorialization options. Family memorials preserve legacies for future generations, and companion options celebrate love and everlasting devotion. The way we choose to tell the story of our loved ones, or ourselves, should be as special as the life it represents. Whispering Waters Cremation Garden. Cremation with remembrance. What a beautiful idea.